Morning, boys and girls. Today is going to be just a blog video. So it's Friday, June 8th, 2018. That's the landline, that's the cell phone. I prefer to be called on this one here, okay? Not this one, because this is a S5 and that's a S7. This works so much better with pictures and all that than this one does. Okay, this one locks up a lot. This one doesn't ever do that because it's a Samsung S7. It's not an Edge, it's just a S7. But anyway, I just want to show off. Yeah, show off. Okay, this is my Facebook page here. Alright. And this is my videos that I shoot in my Facebook page. And I recently did this video here, which I did showing doing something and then showing off the rest of the video, rest of the radios that I have. It's a 28-minute video, but that was shot live. Okay, and once again, this is the bedroom, okay, where I sleep, supposedly. This is not for sale. This is not for sale. Okay. This will be for sale when I get to it. I haven't gotten to it yet. That is for sale. Okay. And then there's the bed. Woohoo. Here's the Sony's for sale. I haven't worked on. I don't know what I'm going to do with those just yet. And then here's just a whole bunch of different radios and such. The 777 is not for sale. The Tysonic and the Trident R, and I haven't decided about the 999. Then we have the, what are those? Iowas. There's another Iowa up here next to the R2D2. We got some Philips that are going to get sold. I'm still working on that Pioneer. There's a General Electric, there's a Sharp, and there's a Panasonic. And then down there we've got some more, and even underneath all the pillows and such, there's some Sonys. So there's 3 Sonys right there, CFS 66s. There's a Free Play, if anybody knows what that is. There's a Sharp. There's the matching Sharp right there. It needs speakers. The surrounds are gone. Alright, so, and of course in the closet here we've got, you know, if you want that, it's new in the box. What? 1700 is what I'm asking. That's a Rhythm 900S, not for sale. There's a Casio up here. And, you know, CK, what is it, 500 or something? Yeah, there we go. Behind it is a, you know, M90. There's an 838. Brand new in the box. There's my checks. There's something. I don't know. Alright, so getting out of there. Well, okay. Alright, I was going to do this differently, but there's one of those with the box, the other one is new in the box, okay? I'll come back to this room here in a moment because I want to show off something else first, okay? So, walk over here to where I've been working, okay? So, well, let me just... Let's not run in here too fast. Alright, so here's my work table, okay? And there are some radios I've been working on, radios that I've worked on, and radios that I want to work on. Okay, now I have been in recent communications with somebody by the name of String Sculpture. We traded a whole bunch of information back and forth, but as you know, you cannot send email or telephone numbers through eBay. So that's just damn difficult to do. And this person here is, the best words I can think of is simply unwilling to trade email or phone numbers to communicate with. So that's his loss. That's all I know. Now I want to point this out, that yesterday which is the 7th of June. Today is the 8th of June that I made this little review here. You can watch it on my Cassette to Go YouTube channel. Now, just for giggles, let me come down here to the keyboard and hit F5. Okay, so hit F5 and that will redo that. So we have 94 views of that going on, but so let me just pause this. What else do I want? Just those 2 pages? Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so last night, I haven't even done this yet, but last night, look, I cleaned this up. I almost get rid of the guy's name off of there, still faintly visible using, what is that stuff called? Where'd it go? There's my coffee, haven't even drank that, finished it off yet. I was using Goo Gone. Oh, here it is, right. Using some Goo Gone, so that got rid of most of the magic marker. And just briefly, let's see here, if I hit play. Alright, we're not here to, still missing that. I never got that, but anyway. And of course, here's this one here. Alright, so this is the, what is this? This is the other one. There's 1 of 2, or 2 of 3, or however we look at it. So, and that works, and I have yet to work on this one, so I'm going to get there, okay? And I want to change out the speaker in this one here with a 6x9 speaker, which I found, which I have right there, okay? And I'm going to work on the Sansuis here soon, and there's my drinks. And here's other radios that, well, who knows. Okay, and then, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to service this one here soon, do that, okay. So, and then, here's, a couple of cameras. Here's another camera. I didn't line up all my cameras. And here's another camera, golly. HD, all of these, alright. Here, let me get out my little, here. Hi, there I am. Okay, great, fabulous. Okay, so then let me go back to this room. So I'm watching the clock on this video. Alright, so, yeah, okay, so don't want to walk in here too fast. Again, there's those couple of radios we were talking about. And then I didn't bring a flashlight. Anyway, so the other, remember, that's 1 and 2. 1 is new in the box, 1 is with the box, okay? And then I had to go looking for this. So here is this it? I think this is it. Yeah. So here's the third one, okay? Here's the third one. Yeah, it looks like that, and I could play it for you, but I just haven't got time. I got so many radios here to work on that I've been working on every day, Sunday included. All right, so there's that one. Put this back. All right, and then yeah, I've got all these radios here to work on, but I'll make an individual video about this one here, but let me put this on tripod. It's just too hard to do like this. So here's a tripod. Okay, so put this here. All right, lock it in. There we go. Rotate around so I can see me. Okay, so yeah, so there's that. So let me take this down since. Okay, so this is a what is this? A Panasonic. Or I have to put these numbers on here because I can't. Anyway, so here it is, a Panasonic RX 5100. This has been sold. Thank you. Let's see here. So looks like that on top. Takes 8D batteries. It's got this here, those connections and such. And let's see here, how you turn this on. Okay, you turn it on by hitting a selector button from tape to radio, right there, like that.
Association and its affiliate, San Antonio, Texas.
What a beautiful
thing last. Make the switch at your local Firestone or Tires Plus location. Based on Sequence 4A wear test using SAE 5W30.
When a flip it over to tape. Hit. Alright, so that works. I don't normally keep batteries in here, but because this was sold yesterday, I went and put batteries in it and so on and so forth. Here, let me get a different tape. Here's whatever this is. I think it's Abacab or something. Oh, it's at the beginning of the tape, I'm sorry. See the red there? Let me fast forward it some. So fast forwarding. Stop. Like I said, I'll do a more in-depth video of this shortly. Okay, so that's been sold. I don't know what more I can tell you, simply that I only have so much time to pull out all of these radios and service them and sell them. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so again, I have all these here. Okay, all those there. I have, you know, cords. Let's see, did I show you the back side here? Here. There's more cords. Wait, can you see that? Yeah. More cords. Hey, so I got that. I got, you know, radios floor to ceiling. Okay. How much time I got on this thing? 12 minutes. Okay. Don't know what more to say. Simply, you know, if you want to, if you're interested in a radio from me, I'm going to take it off the shelf here. I'm going to service it before, and I'll make a video before, during, and after, like I did months ago for some of these radios, not all of them. And then I don't BS anybody, but I don't, I can't, there's only so much you can communicate in eBay. Yeah, there's only so much you can do in eBay. You can, you know, trade pictures, but you can only get tiny little pictures from them, and so I don't really like to communicate that way. I like to communicate via telephone, email, and texting. Okay, so that's all I know. You know, it's just one long, boring video, maybe to some people, but you know, this is what I have that I'm constantly working on. You know, updating, rebuilding, servicing, putting new belts in until all these are sold. I even have this one here new in the box, still for sale. Okay, there's my one and only Sony turntable. Okay, yeah, I didn't even show stuff in the closet here. Let's see here. This closet. What's in this closet? More clothing. Up here is my Denon deck, my Nakamichi reel-to-reel tapes, a reel-to-reel Panasonic, more cassettes, more reel-to-reel, and then these are just boxes of cassettes, you know, cassettes. April 2007, 33 cassettes in a case. I haven't even opened it yet. That's how old some of these things are. I just haven't gotten to. This is, you know, this with the box. You know, it's just, this is, you know, complete with the box. It's got all the stuffing and everything. Here's a, what, a Hitachi. Here's a empty box. Here's a Hitachi, I think I'm working on. I got two of these that, and here's a Sanyo, and then here's a JVC, and then here's a box I haven't opened yet. Here's an Iowa 945 I haven't opened yet. We're not even going to go here as to what this is. I'm not opening this thing ever. Not even have to go there. Here's a SGJ555, if you know what that is. I haven't opened yet. These are, those are speakers. Here's a couple of radios. Here's a Sanyo 99930 and a Panasonic RS4 66S, right? Here's a Sansui receiver. I like Sansui. I've got several of those, more in storage. Here's a TIAC V480. Hell, heck, we're getting to 15 minutes here. This blog is going on forever. This one works great. That works great. This one, I sold this one. I sold the other one to it, the one I had that was boxed. There's the other one. I don't know what more I can say here. It's just I service these, and I'm selling them. That's it. Okay, so somebody asked me about the Iowas. Here's an Iowa. I got more Iowas here somewhere. There's an Iowa. There's an Iowa. There's an Iowa. That's a Pioneer. It's a Panasonic. That's a Bose. Another Bose. And there's another Bose way back there in the dark. Okay, I get into 16 minutes. This thing's going to break into two things unless I stop it. So good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go. Hope, bye-bye.